A storm that lasted for minutes in several regions of Romania caused problems in parts of Vranța, Ilfov, and several other regions, with streets turning into lakes, homes submerged, and firefighters responding.
Uite cum peste bordura apa, uite-te inundație peste bordură ce e.
O zice, bă, tare bună, copilul, dă-l morții, mă, să trimite la Boloceanca.
Uitați-vă, bă, ce ieșim în căbăr.
Ei, vezi? Ia, poți să cobori aici la apă.
Heavy rain on Saturday, June 6, 2026, in Pantelimon, Ilfov County, where 2 months of rain had fallen in the past few days. Streets normally bustling with pedestrians and cars turned into veritable canals, and people watched in horror as the waters rose menacingly. The city's sewage system was deemed inadequate to cope with this extreme phenomenon, collapsing under the pressure of the water. The flooded streets turned into veritable rivers, and firefighters were called in to help remove the overflowing water from the network.
Ce-a zis că se face mai mare?
Uitați-vă, bă, oameni, cum doarme omul ăsta aici, mă, în căbăr.
De ce crezi că țipă? Zici că am bolat copilul pe mine?
The violent storm, accompanied by hail and lightning, wreaked havoc on the city, leaving an unforgettable image of a community caught between helplessness and despair. Besides Pantelimon, other areas such as Voluntari, Ștefăneștii de Jos, and Dobroești are facing similar challenges. Several roads are flooded, and firefighters are working to remove overflowing water from drains.
Cum doarme oamenii ăștia, mă, mâncați aici?
Ce-a venit aia? Cosul?
Aici e mai mare,
da? Ți-am zis că nu e mai face mai mare.
A severe weather warning, RO alert, was issued in Ilfov, with Pantelimon being one of the most affected areas, shortly before the storm's arrival. It was extended to Code Orange, as atmospheric instability was declared for almost the entire country, signaling that nature would continue to wreak havoc. Several areas are under storm warnings, with heavy rain, lightning, increased wind speeds, and hail up to 4 centimeters expected. Authorities are urging residents to avoid unnecessary travel, seek shelter in case of a storm, and take protective measures until the weather passes.
Uite cum peste bordura apa, uite-te inundație peste bordură ce e.
Oameni buni, buni, căbăr. Ia uite cât de mare e. Uite, bă, și femeia asta e bolnavă la pavă, mă.
Similar conditions are also affecting Vranța County, with the Fixani municipality being the most affected, where dozens of homes and apartment building basements were flooded after today's heavy rains. Military firefighters intervened to limit the impact of waterlogging and flooding caused by the severe weather. There were also reports of landslides in Cluj, Târnăuţ, and Mărișul, and severe flooding on the Slanic River in Dobroești, Buzău County.
Ia, poți să cobori aici la apă. Hai când te ridică. Păi dacă te ridică să-ți pune-te-ți bine. Hai, bă, că ți se mai încolo, bă, că te mai încolo.